Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and this week we're going to make a really cool candle holder. Just a little background of why we decided to do this project this week. I was walking through Home Depot and I saw they had a whole rack of these sheets of metal with different patterns cut into them. You can get different types of metal like copper, brushed aluminum. This one is powder coated with some paint, and they all had these different patterns cut into them, and I just thought it would be really cool to come up with a project where we can project these patterns on the wall. All right, let's get into it. All right, and there you have the finished project. It really wasn't as hard as it may have looked. I really just needed that skill saw to cut this circle out. And you don't necessarily have to have a router to make the groove like I did. You could just cut out the center with the jigsaw also, and then just slide the piece of metal into it. I just wanted to have that base in there. So it came out really nice. We put some little feet on there so it will not scratch any surfaces. And it actually looks pretty darn cool when you light it up. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Projects that pattern. And like I said, they had lots of different kinds of metal with different kinds of patterns. So you could, if you decided to make this for yourself, you could go and pick out a different pattern and make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. If you want to see other projects we're working on, make sure to subscribe. And I'd love to hear what you think about this project down in the comments below. Be safe and have a great day.